Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an older deck, so it's been around for a little while, but it's one of the new ones that we bought in from Seco Books. It's one of these boxes that you pull this off and everything's inside the book and the cards. And the book gives you an introduction, so it's obviously the merging of, or the importance of, astrology with tarot. You've got some spreads right the way through. And the majors and the court cards are the cards that have the astrological counterparts, really. Is that the right word? Possibly not. There you go. The relationships, rather. So, for example, the Fool is air. The Magician is Mercury, traditional primary correlation. So that's everybody knows that the Magician is Mercury because Mercury is associated with the Magician because of communication. And also a secondary is Virgo, and then another one is possibly Gemini. So you get all of the astrological relationships with each of the cards. They don't list them with the minors though. So the minors are not illustrated with characters, but they've got them here. So for example, the Six of Wands, it just tells you about the card. Gives you the divinatory meaning. Okay, so that's how the book's there, and you've got the readings, you've got all the meanings of the cards. These are the cards. So you've got these backs. They're a very good solid stock. Very easy to use, easy to maneuver through my hands. There's no sticking. Good quality card. It will just be whether or not you like the images. So you've got the Fool here, and then you've got the astrological symbols and things. You can see them on the card. Magician. It's one of their best-selling decks, and certainly if you're beginning to learn tarot, and or even if you're, if you're an advanced tarot reader, and you fancy something with the astrology on it, then these are great. So then we have the minors in a minute. So we've got the Star, the Moon, Sun, Judgment and World. Then we go into Wands, and you can see that we basically, that's how they are. Then you've got the court cards. So that's all the wands. The court cards are astrological symbols. So we've got Sagittarius. Okay, so you've gone for those fire signs on those, obviously, because they're wands. Pentacles is the same. Okay, and then we've got the Page. So again, you've got earth signs here. The pages are different from the, yeah. Okay, Swords, same situation. I was going to say that I thought the Page primarily was a different astrological symbol from the rest, but it's not. So you've got, for example, there you've got the air signs. You've got Gemini and Aquarius there for the last two. Then you've got Cups. Same situation right the way through. I hope you find this interesting. I often wondered what it looked like, actually, so I'm glad that they've given me a copy to show you. And Cups. All Pisces. Okay, so that is the Astrology Tarot by Joanna Waters, and that's the back of it, if you wanted to have a read of that. Okay, I hope you found that interesting. Thanks very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.